What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.
Did you know that painting the exterior of your home is one of the best home improvements for the money? However, you've got to repaint your house every couple of years. Hi, I'm Adam Helfman, home improvement expert from HireItDone.com, and today I'm going to introduce you to liquid rubber siding. That's right, folks, I said liquid rubber siding. So you might be asking yourself, what is liquid rubber siding? Well, it goes on just like paint, but it's really an elastomeric coating that's 8 to 10 times thicker than paint. Liquid rubber siding is installed like paint, but lasts as long as siding, and you should generally budget for slightly more than paint and slightly less than vinyl siding, about half the price of new siding. A lot of people like to do paint themselves. However, liquid rubber siding happens to be a non-do-it-yourself type of project. And the reason why is because it's a three-step process, and really for the success of liquid rubber siding, it's all about the prep work. When properly applied by professionals, liquid rubber siding has a warranty that lasts 25 years. An optional third coat can provide added insulation to help your energy efficiency. Because liquid rubber siding is so thick, it does a better job than paint when it comes to coating wires and pipes adjacent to your house. So you're probably thinking to yourself, I love this product, however, how long does it take? Well, the average liquid rubber siding project is about 5 to 7 days. That's because of all the prep work and the three-step process. This right here on the side of this garage, this is wood siding, and as you can tell, it looks brand new. On the other part of the house, we've got aluminum siding, the gutters, and the shutters are all covered with liquid rubber siding. So we just learned how liquid rubber siding is a great alternative to the high cost of new siding or the high maintenance every few years of brand new paint. So if you want great curb appeal, and you want it to last 25 years, just head over to HireItDone.com.
What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.